Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start with a good foundation. In this video, I will show how to make marinara sauce for spaghetti. First, select the freshest ingredients possible. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe San Marzano tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, and a small bunch of fresh basil. Don't forget 1 medium yellow onion, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. These simple elements combine to create. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped medium yellow onion and sauté it gently for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's soft and translucent. Then, stir in your 4 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just about 1 minute more until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. First, remove the old oil filter using your oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug securely, being careful not to over-tighten it, which could cause damage. Almost ready to enjoy? In the last 5 minutes of cooking, stir in a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped basil leaves. The fresh basil adds a vibrant, aromatic finish. Taste the sauce and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt or pepper if desired. Your homemade marinara sauce is now perfect for serving over your favorite hot spaghetti, perhaps with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.